So today is October 18th. We're doing a weekly update on the garden. I moved the hoses. I made them down lower than where the hole was in the bucket. Created a little issue with all the fine sand getting blocked up in the hose. When it rains, there's a backflow into the hose, and that's when it's pushing it in. So that's what happened. It should be working fine. Shouldn't even have to bother with anything anymore. So to let you know, these tomato plants and zucchini and squash plants, okra plants, they are just now 2 months old. This tomato plant has finally got the blooms on it. It's a mortgage lifter. All the other ones has got blooms. We're starting to attract some bees, and we're starting to get some more fruit set on some of these squash and zucchini plants. We got a nice looking squash right there, so hopefully we get one. The okra plants are doing real good. They're just in the position where we can start trimming them. These, there we go. Sweet pepper plants, they're starting to get blooms on them. There's 3 or 4 on this one. There's 3 or 4 on this one. And there's a couple blooms in the center there. This is San Martino tomato. It's getting blooms. This is the tomato plant I bought from the store. You got fruit here, here, over here, and it's setting all kinds of fruit. Flowers everywhere. Black cherry tomato plant, she's setting some fruit. Got 2 plants here. I'll have a big mess right here. Another okra plant. They're gonna be kicking it out every day. I'll be picking okra. This is a Sun Gold. It's a hybrid brand. Just started blooming. We already got some fruit set there, some here, and there's another set of blooms down on the bottom. There they are. And then these are purple bush beans, royal purple bush beans. Let's see, these are the purple ones. And then I planted some contenders in here. I did those earlier in the year. They were really good, so I planted more of these than the purple ones. Everything else is doing good in this one. These were planted on September 24th. The beans were planted on September 20th. Got some good watermelon growing on there. First time I've done watermelon in the hydroponic system. And then got a bunch of lettuce and different types of spinaches. A couple different types of carrots. Gonna have to start thinning some things out. Got some kohlrabi planted. 2 types in here, I do believe. Florida mustard. That's always tasty. Different types of Swiss chard. Then some more okra plants. Got 4 more growing in this. Then we got some curled mustard, Georgia collards. They're taking a long time to come up. They were planted on the 24th of September. And this is the mess of hose. That way I can move all the containers around if I want to. I can pick them up, I can unhook them, I can do whatever I need. Makes it more portable. I can bring them in if we get a storm. Tomatoes would be hard to bring in, but probably figure it out. All right, we'll do another update. Get everybody to subscribe and tell everybody about it.